Hello everyone, today we are going to go over detailed broadcast reports in DialMyCalls. Every time you send out a call, text, or email, DialMyCalls will create a detailed broadcast report. To view your reports, click on Broadcast and then Broadcast Reports. You will now see all broadcasts that were sent out in the past 90 days. Click on Text to view your text message broadcast report. Here you will see every recipient that received your text broadcast and the status of the text message. Generate CSV report will create a downloadable report to keep for your records. Click on Call to view your voice broadcast report. Here you will see every recipient that received your voice broadcast and the status and duration of each call. Generate CSV report will create a downloadable report to keep for your records. Click on Email to view your email broadcast report. Here you will see every recipient that received your email broadcast and the status and details of each email. Generate CSV report will create a downloadable report to keep for your records. The Reports Available for Download tab will show every report that you clicked Generate CSV Report for. Lastly, next to each report, you will see the following options. Resend this broadcast to send the same broadcast to the same contacts again. Share this broadcast to generate a shareable link that will display your broadcast message, email, or an audio player for your recording that was sent. And Generate Report to generate a downloadable report for your records. That wraps up our video on detailed broadcast reports in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086, our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.